Hello everyone. So here's a question in which angle
Hello everyone. So here's a question.
APB is given 30 degree and we have to find angle AOB and angle OAB. So let's see how to solve this question. So as we know that angle at the center is twice of this angle. So angle AOB is twice of angle APB. Now angle AOB we have to find out. This is twice of angle APB, which is 30 degree. So multiplied by 30 degree. This implies angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. So this is the answer for the first part of the question. Now second part is find angle OAB. So angle OAB we have to find out. So first we will join AB. Right? Now OAB is a triangle. This is a triangle and OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB because both are the radius of the same circle. So this angle will be equal to this angle, right? So we can write angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now we know angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. So we can write twice of angle OAB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree because angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Now twice of angle OAB plus AOB we have calculated 60 degree. So we will substitute the value here is equal to 180 degree. This will give twice angle OAB is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is twice of angle OAB is equal to 120 degree, and this on solving will give angle OAB is equal to 60 degree. So this is the answer for the second part of the question. So two angles were asked, angle AOB which we have calculated 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and angle OAB which we have calculated also 60 degree. Okay. Now I will give you one more question on the same pattern. So you can solve this on your own. So let me draw the figure. So suppose this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. This is point P, this is A, this is P, this angle is given 50 degree, then you have to find out angle AOB and angle OBA. So try to solve this question. This you can solve similar to this question which I have solved earlier. So let me mark it as question number 1. So following the same method you can solve this question also. So I will request you to solve this. Now let me take another question. So the second question is, I will delete this first. Now there is a circle. Suppose this is a circle and the center of the circle is O. This is center of the circle. This is point A. This is a point C over here. And angle AOC. This angle is 150 degree. And there is a point on the circumference of the circle, and this is connected to B like this. A is also connected to B. Now in this figure you have to find out angle ABC. Find angle ABC. So here what we will do, we will take a point P on a circle somewhere here. So suppose this is a point P over here, and we will join A, P and PC, like this. Okay. Now we know that angle at the center is twice of this angle. So we can write angle AOC is twice of angle APC, right? Angle to twice of angle APC. This implies angle APC is equal to 150 divided by 2. So this will give angle APC is equal to 75 degree. Okay. Now in the figure we can clearly see that A, B, C and P, these 4 points are on the circumference of the circle. So ABCP is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. That is, if we add angle APC and angle ABC, this will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle APC plus angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree, because ABCP is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Now APC we have calculated 75 degrees. So we will substitute this value and we will get 75 degrees plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree, and angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 75 degrees, that is angle ABC is equal to 105 degree. So this is the answer for this question. We were asked angle ABC and we have calculated that angle ABC is equal to 105 degree. Right? So I think this was very easy. Now I will give you another question to solve yourself. So let us assume that this is a circle and this is the center of the circle, which is O, and this is A, this point is B, Angle AOB is given 110 degrees, and here is some point D. Then if we join AD and BD, then you have to find the value of X. Find value of X in the given figure. Where O is the center of the circle, right? So try to solve this question. Very easy question and similar to that of I have solved previous. Let me name it question number 2. So this was question number 2, and this is the question which is based on question number 2. So very easy to solve.
To solve.
Now let me take another question. So I will delete this question first. So let me delete this. Now the third question is question number 3. Here a circle is given. So this is a circle and this is the center of the circle O. This is B, this is C, and here is a point A. Now if I join BA and CA like this, okay, this angle is given 80 degree and this angle is given 110 degree. Then you have to find angle BAC. So this is also very easy to solve. You just have to apply the circle theorem and you will be able to find the answer. You have to find this angle here. This angle is 80, this angle is 110. Now solution. Let us see how to solve the question. Now let us take triangle BOA. Okay. Now in triangle BOA, BO is equal to AO, radius of the same circle. Okay. Now if this side is equal to this side, then this angle will be equal to this angle. That is angle OBA will be equal to angle OAB, right? Now by angle sum property in triangle BOA, we can write angle AOB plus angle OBA plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all three angles will be 180 degree. Now OBA and OAB are equal. These two angles are equal. So we can write angle AOB is given 80 degree. Here this is 80 degree. So 80 plus angle OBA can be written as angle OAB plus angle OAB is equal to 180 degree, or twice of angle OAB is equal to 180 minus 80. This will give twice of angle OAB is equal to 100 degree, or angle OAB is equal to 50 degree, right? So this angle, this part, we have calculated 50 degree, which is OAB. Now similarly we can solve this triangle, and in this triangle we can find the value of this angle, which is OAC. So we will take triangle COA, and in triangle COA, OC is equal to OA, OC is equal to OA, radius of the circle. Okay, that means angle OCA will be equal to angle OAC, because OC is equal to OA, and by angle sum property in triangle COA we can write angle COA plus angle OCA plus angle OAC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all three angles will be equal to 180 degree, right? Now COA is given 110 This is given us, this is 110 here. So we will substitute the value of this angle plus OCA is equal to OAC. So we will write OAC in place of OCA plus angle OAC is equal to 180 degree, right? Now this will give 110 plus twice of angle OAC is equal to 180 degree, or twice of angle OAC is equal to 180 minus 110, that is twice of angle OAC is equal to 70 degree, or angle OAC is equal to 35 degree. Okay. Now in the question, angle BAC was asked. So BAC is this total angle. So angle BAC can be written as angle OAB plus angle OAC. So BAC is equal to OAB plus angle OAC. OAC we have calculated 35 degree, and OAB we have calculated 50 degree, right? This was 50 degree here in the first part, and OAC was 35 degrees in this part. So we will substitute the value here. This will be equal to 50 plus 35, that is angle BAC is equal to 85 degree. So this is the answer for question number 3. Now I will give you similar question that you can solve very easily. So suppose this is a circle whose center is this O. Now this is A, this is B, and here is a point D. Now this angle is 100 degrees and this angle is 120 degrees, and you have to find out this angle. This you have to find out, which is angle ADB. So can you solve this question? I think you can. follow the steps of this question. This was very similar to this question I have given to you. So you can easily find the value of angle ADB. So you can WhatsApp your answer for question number 1, 2 and 3 direct to me, or you can write your answers in the comment section. And if you have any problem, that also you can ask in the comment section, or you can ask direct to me on my WhatsApp number which I have given to you. So these circle questions are very easy and you can easily solve them. And if you want, I can arrange you some more questions on circle so that concept is very clear to you. And if you want me to make video in Hindi or do live in Hindi, that I can also do. So please send your suggestions on my WhatsApp number or in the comment section. Now let me take question number 4. So first I will delete this part. So question number 4. This is also very easy. There is a circle with center O. So let me draw a circle first. So this is a circle and O is the center of the circle and a chord AB passes through the center of the circle. This is A, this is B, and this is the center O of the circle. And here is a point C, and here is a point D. Now if we join OC, this angle is given 135 degree B, right? So this angle you have to find out. So in the question, angle AOC is given 135 degree. O is given center of the circle, and you have to find angle CDB. This we have to find. So let's solve this question. Now AB is a straight line. This is a straight line. Okay, because this is the diameter of the circle. It is passing through the center O. So this total angle will be 180 degree. So angle AOB will be diameter of the circle. Okay. So if this angle is 135, then this angle, which is angle COB, will be equal to 180 minus angle AOC. So this is equal to 180 minus AOC is 135. So this will give angle COB is equal to 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Okay. Now if we join CB, so you can see this is a chord, CB is a chord, and this is making angle COB at the center of the circle and angle CDB at the remaining part or the other part of the circle. So this angle and this angle will be connected to each other, and the theorem says that angle at the center is twice of angle at the circumference. So angle at the center is angle COB. This is twice of angle at the circumference, that is angle CDB. So this is 45 degree. This we have calculated here is equal to twice of angle CDB. This implies angle CDB is equal to 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5 degree. Now I will give you another question. So it will be same as this question and you have to find out the answer. And you can write your answers in the comment section. And if you have any difficulty, you can ask. So suppose that this is a circle with center O and this is the diameter of the circle AB and this is 80 degree. Angle AOC is 80 degree. Then you have to find angle ADB. This angle you have to find out. This is similar to question number 4. So if you will try, you can find the answer easily.